Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. Now look at the headlines. Goa police failed to nab Joe Boy even after 6 months. Joe Boy applies for anticipatory bail. Police say Joe has information about Supari of Home Minister's son. Dum Maro Dum releases in Goa. Inox holds special paid preview. NGOs opposed the screening but failed to make an impact. Different vegetables in a small farm at Taligaon, broccoli and red cabbage for the first time grown with organic manure. Prudent Media special report. BJP to give prominence to winnability above women's reservation, says survey to decide number of women candidates. PVG Warriors Al Fatah and Goa Sports Academy scores second consecutive victory in Bandodkar 2020 League. And now the news in detail. Joe Boy's anticipatory bail application has once again brought the issue of threat to Home Minister's family to the fore. Police have failed to nab him in this high-profile case, whereas Joe Boy has knocked the doors of judiciary for relief. Prudent brings to you first pictures of a man who spoke about elimination of Home Minister's sons. Some months back, the word was out that Joe Boy had spoken about Supari of Home Minister's sons. Prisoner at Kalangut police station Raju Devra had confessed this detail to the police. He informed that Joe Boy had asked the notorious goon Narulla to take the Supari of Home Minister's sons. Police then interrogated Narulla but unfortunately did not find any concrete clue. Police carried out an extensive search operation for Joe Boy but failed. Joe Boy is still absconding, but now he has surfaced. He has applied for anticipatory bail in Panji Sessions Court. Police have requested court to deny bail to Joe Boy. Jose Lopez or Joe Boy has 12 cases filed against him. In Panji Police Station, 5 cases. At Old Goa, 1 case. In Kalangut, 1 case. And in Mapsa, 2 cases. Besides this, there are more 3-chapter cases registered against him. Our reporter in Panji, Laukik Shilkar. The controversial movie Dum Maro Dum was screened as a paid preview in Inox on Thursday evening, even after Goincha Osturian Soavas projected an agitation outside Inox parking area. They have submitted a memorandum to the Chief Minister Digambar Kamath to stay the screening of the movie and all further scheduled screenings till special committee reviews it. Goincha Osturian Soavas staged an agitation outside Inox parking lot demanding banning on the screen of the Maro Dum movie. Although the strength of the protesters was not strong, they were shouting slogans banning the screening of the movie. They have also given memorandum to the Chief Minister demanding to stay on the screening of paid preview and all further screenings. They said that until the special committee reviews the film, it should not be screened. It further asked the Centre Board to censor the film to prevent any malicious content and objectionable statements.
So आता लोकांनी ठरवूंक जाय गोयच्या की हे पिक्चर पळोवपाचें, हे पिक्चर हांगा पळोवंक दिवपाचें काय ना तें. आमी जस्ट अवेअरनेस लोकां मदीं हे जागृत करपा खातीर आमी हांगा फुडें आयिल्ले आसा. हे आता इट इज अप टू गोयच्या जनतेचे, गोयच्या बायलांनी ठरवपाची. ज्यो बायलो आता गोयच्यो फुडारलेल्यो बायलो म्हणटात, प्रत्येक गांवांत इतले सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप तयार जाल्ले आसा आनी तो मेमोरंडम आमी ऑनरेबल प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया हांगा पावयल्लो आसा, युनियन मिनिस्टर ऑफ इन्फॉर्मेशन एंड ब्रॉडकास्टिंग हांगा पावयल्लो आसा आनी आमच्या चीफ मिनिस्टराक पावयल्लो आसा.
Our demand is that certain obscenities or certain dialogues in the film which are harmful to the reputation of the people of Goa, especially the women of Goa, this should have been removed.
Xavier Rodriguez, who had moved to the court against the movie, had more to say on the screening of the film.
At this point of time, we are definitely going to be taking a legal option to the entire episode, and we are also going to be viewing the movie as well, because that is an option that the judgment has given us, that if we do find something wrong in the movie, we can approach the court again. So yes, we will be taking a legal recourse to it.
A reporter Laukik Shilkar with video journalist Omkar Falari. Candido Dias, a farmer from Talegaon, has set an example for the young farmers in the state. In his small farm, he has planted over 12 different vegetable varieties. He has planted broccoli and red cabbage for the first time. These vegetables are grown with organic manure, and as such, they are more safer than other vegetables grown in the state. Here is a special report by Rakesh Kandulkar.
Talegaon village is not only developing with the high-rise buildings but also in agriculture sector. This proves that farmers still profess their noble work. Candido Dias is one of the young farmers who has not only kept agriculture alive but has also introduced new techniques in farming. In last 6 months, he has planted ladyfingers, onions, tomatoes, radish, brinjals, gourd, along with the introduction of capsicum, red cabbage and broccoli in his farm. Moreover, farmers from Talegaon have also formed a club named as Progressive Farmers Club. This club gets technical and financial assistance from Agriculture Department. They grow their vegetables with the help of organic manure.
Subsidy मेळून आमी ट्रॅक्टर क्लबान आमी घेतला आनी हार्वेस्टिंगूय मशीन आमी घेवपाचें आहा कित्याक आमकां कोणे कोणे सपोर्ट करता म्हणून सांगला देखून आमी सगळे लोकांक म्हणजे फार्मर्सांक वो शेतकारांक हे आमी बेनिफीट बरें दितलो म्हणून ते आतां रोवपाक चालू केला हे पावटी कित्याक हिंगा मॅक्झिमम ही एरिया सगळ्यान रोयल्या.
A candidate's farm is only 2,000 square meters. In this small area, he cultivates around 12 different vegetables. However, pre-monsoon showers have affected this cultivation. Now he is selling these vegetables to Talegaonkars at cheaper rates.
कित्याक म्हाका कित्याक आमच्या गांवच्या लोकांनी सोय हाडलेले पडटा कित्याक पणजे व्हरून ते घेता धानी आनी विकता 50 देखून हांव म्हणटा हिंगाच आमच्या धानी हिंगा लोकांनी आमच्या तालिगांवच्या भायल्या कोणें येवन हाडलेली आनी हांव बरी आहा म्हणलेली पुरो.
With this unique farming techniques, Talegaonkars have proved that if real estate business can rise in the state, agricultural business can also rise, but only if farmers will to do it. A senior reporter from Talegaon, Rakesh Kandulkar, with video journalist Shan.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.